Hi, my name is Henrik. I'm from Robot System Products and we are here at Automatica 2022. On this application we are showing off a laser welding application on battery packs. By using a swivel tool changer, the robot can switch between 3 different tools, and besides from the laser welding gun we also have a vacuum gripper and a 2-finger parallel gripper from Italian Omil. And since we are using a swivel tool changer, it allows continuous rotation of axis 6 on the robot. And the robot is actually equipped with a RSP tool system, which is a complete dress pack under one single part number. It saves time on engineering and installation. So get in touch with us and we will help you to increase your robot flexibility.